So this is how you clean your makeup brush. It looks whiter than it was before. Hello everyone, so today we'll be looking at how to clean a makeup brush. So the makeup brush over time can accumulate the particles from the foundation or any of the makeup material. So it is recommended that you wash the makeup brush every 1 week. Now if you are just washing the makeup brush every 1 week, then you need to only wash it with a dishwash soap or professional makeup cleaner, but we'll be using all the DIY material which is household items that are available. But if you're washing it after a very long time, then you need to also use some olive oil in order to remove some of the obstinate particles from the makeup brush. So since this has not been washed more than 1 week, I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil. So this is just 1 or 2 drops of olive oil. Then we will be squishing the dishwash soap. On top of it, I'll be adding some water. So this can be used to clean the makeup brush. So this is the first iteration. So you need to swirl your makeup brush in the water which has soap and olive oil. So olive oil is not required if you are washing your makeup brush every 1 week, so please remember that. And also wash the makeup brush at night because you need to leave it for drying for more than 12 hours. So as you can see, a lot of the makeup material is getting released from the makeup brush. It looks really dirty. So I'm swirling it for another 30 seconds. Okay, now this is the first iteration. I'm gonna throw this water out. Now in this iteration, we are gonna just use the dishwashing soap. So squish a lot of dishwashing soap. So basically I'm using Dawn dishwashing soap into this. To this I'm going to add water and I'm gonna swirl my makeup brush. Now you can see that there are not significant dust particles that are getting released from the brush. So this is the second iteration of the cleaning. Now as you can see, it still has some dust particles or the makeup particles, I must say. So I'm gonna do a third iteration of cleaning. So remember that this much iteration of cleaning is not required if you are washing it every week. So I have cleaned it enough, and now I'm gonna rinse it in warm water. So this is me rinsing the brush in the hot water. Okay. Now as you can see, the makeup brush is it looks whiter than it was before. So this is how you clean your makeup brush. Now finally you can put your makeup brush to rest for about 12 hours for drying. That's it. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. If you don't like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.